What's up, YouTube? Today I got another product. It's a baby digital thermometer. It's clinical, accurate. It's waterproof, easy to clean, fast respond, flex tip, soft and gentle. You can do it Fahrenheit or Celsius measurements. As you can see, it tell you how to do the rectal area. Be careful. And it has a jumbo LCD, 10 seconds, and I have a fever alarm just in case it does have a fever. It will beep a certain way. Let's get it open. Comes with the instruction, and it also comes with lifetime warranty. All you gotta do is send an email and you have a lifetime warranty within 2 weeks. This is the menu. Okay. As you can see, comes in a little plastic container, so it'll be clean basically. And that is how it looks. As you can see, it is flexible. Not the hard ones, it's pretty flexible. And you have very big numbers. Okay, once it starts blinking, put it. See, it's done. Don't have a fever. Pretty cool. You have to set it up. Read the instruction on how to set it up. I like it because it's pretty flexible. And it was pretty quick. It will beep, I guess, when you have a fever. That was only 96, and they say it's very accurate. So check it out. In my description, there will be a link and where to buy. Pretty cool. Okay, it comes in a little container like this. Okay, get it open. As you can see, it's very flexible. It's not one of those hard ones. It's very flexible. And if you open it, you have your battery. Okay, when you turn it on, if you hold it down, it will give you Celsius. Turn it off, hold it down again. It will give you Fahrenheit, as you can see. And 5 and up, you have your mouth. You try to put it on the side, under your tongue. So it says 10 seconds, put it on the side. Okay, as you can see, when the F or the C stop blinking, it's basically, that's the temperature. If you have a fever, if it reaches 100, it will beep, and that's the fever alarm. But otherwise, it will not beep until you have a fever. It's pretty cool. As you can see, you wipe it up, put it away, and it's in the storage container. Well, YouTube, like and subscribe. More to come. Thanks for watching.